Duterte. What?
Butete. Butete is a fish, kind of fish that have big
Pufferfish,
belly.
Duterte. He's the
Butete.
president, right?
Not Duterte, Butete.
Oh.
That is a pufferfish, Dad.
Oh, I thought
It's a big,
I thought the president.
big fish that have big belly. That's
It's
Butete.
pufferfish.
Pepper-
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish,
Oh.
whatever it is, but Butete is not Duterte, okay?
Same.
Some people,
Duterte.
Mama,
Duterte is
Mama,
not a
some
budol.
Mama, some people in the Philippines eat butete.
No, Butete is makalanag. Butete is
Butete
poisonous.
is pufferfish. Yeah.
Poisonous.
People cook it right, then it's not poisonous.
No.
I like
How
Duterte.
you know about that, Ethan? Did you search that?
Duterte